Did you know that at the heart of good growing is true soil health? By returning to a more natural growing approach, you can achieve excellent results. Which is what you want, of course. Many growers are currently using synthetic chemicals to grow, and most of these growers are struggling with growing issues. Things like disease, pests, weeds, poor soil moisture or waterlogging, acid soils, nutrient depletion, erosion, low yield, poor market value, short shelf life, etc. In their efforts to still get a reasonable yield, they then continue to address their crop with all kinds of synthetic chemical applications. In actuality, their real issue starts with their soil. They have killed off all important soil life within their soil mostly through 1. Too many chemical applications, 2. Too much digging, 3. Not enough soil organic matter remaining, and 4. Leaving their soil naked and exposed to the weather too long. So how does Growers Gold help? By applying Growers Gold to their soil, the correct soil biology can then go to work again and begin restoring their soil. This biology naturally performs 3 important tasks. 1. Nutritional availability returns to the plants, 2. Plants have a much stronger level of disease protection, and 3. The soil structure is rebuilt. Once you get your soil right, most growing issues drop away or become very manageable. Plants become healthy again and they naturally have pest resistance too. Even soil moisture becomes naturally better managed. In heavy rain, the water will soak in easier, and in dry times your soil will hold moisture for longer. Almost automatically, your profits return and farming becomes easier and more enjoyable. Not only this, but it's much safer and healthier on your health to not be always using chemicals, plus it's more affordable. We only ask that you make a few adjustments to your growing approach. First, limit your chemical applications to a minimum. You will find by using Growers Gold the perceived need for synthetic chemicals goes away because your soil health will begin to pick up quickly. Second, limit your digging as much as possible. It significantly damages soil structure and soil life. Growers Gold will automatically open your soil structure and soften it. Weeds will become less, and those you do still get for a while will become easy to pull out by hand. Third, increase your soil surface organic matter. You don't want to see bare or naked soil. A covering of organic matter, such as leaves and cut grass clippings, over your soil really works to make a difference. This will also be taken into your soil by the newly improved soil biology from Growers Gold. The organic matter serves to reduce weeds, build nutrition, conserve water moisture, and feed soil life. When possible, do your best to grow beneficial cover crops between normal crop cycles, or between your rows or trees. Then the cover crops, which also serve to reduce weeds, can be cut and applied to your soil of your main crops. This, of course, adds nutritional value, reduces weeds and increases soil moisture holding capacity. These simple steps will save you a lot of work, cost, and soon you will be getting excellent results, thanks to Growers Gold.